You know, so the same thing me I pray. Nobody know for them about our ends. And we can't find him.
And that may I tell you that somebody bigger involved, brother. Yo, remember so we talk about this, same thing Pink Bastard.
So tell me something. My word on the street tell me now. What you say? Somebody bigger in our system.
That me feel, I don't know for sure.
When last time I see Mr. Politician, man.
I say, in a while, you see that brother there?
You say all a politician boy there. Big man kid. Feel like all him to get all a plate shoot. I'm not right, you know.
We ever go on now? I don't think we don't have to worry about him right about now. But I see the page that we are thinking about. As far as me concerned, you know, it's like film book, clothes.
And a film book alone for clothes, you know. Almost the whole of them. We just lock up and dash way.
So that means, man, hold on.
So you have one. You just make sure, sir, you're wrong right, that you don't know we have this trouble and you know you have the laugh. That's what there is my pass through and it's community nearby. And get to understand, sir. Kidnapping and them things that go on. And we have move or somewhere. So here we need to keep the ears to the ground, my eyes walking to the streets. Anything where looks change from the face now match, you make me know. You understand?
Yeah, my G, yes. Yeah.
Say less. You know how we run our ground. And we know almost everybody in the community.
All you do, down to the newborn, if you know them. But you want to know that. You want to move to go make it now, you understand? So, on squad if you go check for it, whether
Squad if you go check in the rain.
Squadisha.
Oh!
But we kind of have them on our case, you see what I'm saying?
Well, rain a fall, nature call. Pick up yourself in a savvy. You know they know. Hear that?
You have what? We left a drink and just, yeah, quick and fast.
Happy.
Right. So yo, you know what's about there? Alright. Respect you, my G. Respect you the calling. You hear that? Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
So, everything otherwise good. Those things.
Yo, man. I want to please. No, but you don't know enough.
Big up yourself, you know.
Alright.
You don't know. Yo, man.
Yo, I love that man.
Man, pal, y'all.
Just a warrior. Just keep it as a warrior.
See me, sir.
Alright.
Let up yourself, Savvy.
Yeah, man. Big up, man. Respect feeling. Yeah.
Fucking ghost. So, brother, you mean to tell me that she forward and she will reach out to you?
That big man thing. Care me to blame or another. Right now, it a cut off all me if I was me in a fair position.
You know, so you still love that girl.
Then I must, dog.
Reach out to her. Find out where she is. Make a link up.
Dog. Big man thing, I never love the rejection, something still on. But I take your word for it, you know, I'll try.
Broski. Remember, she's been through a lot, you know, brother. The best thing you can do for she right now is show up, sit down, and raise them that.
But I don't know another. If me raise with them, but they fear too. Other part there, I cannot see no matter. But they fear.
Remember, say, I know the whole quick this I go to Sheena, brother. You change your lifestyle, you know, we're a business person, man, bro. And I know she don't love that. Brother, take my word of advice, take a step.